Welcome back to our channel, guys. We are glad to have you back. Today, we are going to give a basic breakdown of cryptocurrency. Hope you are well and ready for it. It is said that FER has two meanings: forget everything and run, or face everything and rise. The choice is yours. What are you going to do with crypto? Forget everything and run, or face everything and rise. Choose wisely, and much success whichever way you choose. Investing and trading cryptocurrencies may be different from investing in other assets, but they also share some similarities. Here are the most important things you need to have before jumping into the cryptocurrency investment space. A cryptocurrency exchange or broker, where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies, a secure cryptocurrency wallet to store your cryptocurrencies. The most important things you need to know about investing in cryptocurrency. Investing is one of the newest ways to make a profit. As market participants become more informed about the industry, many misconceptions will be resolved and more people will be able to participate in the market. As of this writing, there are over 21,000 cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin, and that number could change dramatically in the future. A cryptocurrency is a cross between a currency and a digital asset. As a currency, you can use it to pay for things. As with digital assets, you can invest in it for long-term gains. You don't buy currency. You consider the idea behind the coin, which is supported by blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is a distributed ledger that stores a growing list of data. Investing in cryptocurrencies is a very new thing, so its investment resources are constantly evolving. Always read about the background, underlying technology, governance, and community of a cryptocurrency before investing. Ask yourself what problem the cryptocurrency is trying to solve and why it is important. When you buy a cryptocurrency for long-term holding, you are looking for capital appreciation. When you actively enter and exit trades, you are speculating. The cryptocurrency market is extremely volatile. Make sure that you are investing money that you can afford to lose and that you have enough understanding behind the potential future growth of your investment assets. Unlike the stock market, you can participate in the cryptocurrency market 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Buy miracle sauce. What does it mean? This means that instead of panicking when prices drop, this may be the best time to buy. Do not buy when prices have risen so much in a short time and the market has risen. Of course, in all your investment decisions, you must analyze the market from points other than low price. Manage your risk by diversifying your portfolio with at least 5 different categories of cryptocurrencies. Broaden your horizons by investing in stocks exposed to blockchain technology and cryptocurrency markets. Learn the basics of cryptocurrencies before adding them to your portfolio. Before investing in a cryptocurrency, you need to do some research about it. When doing crypto research, pay attention to the following key components. Crypto white paper. A white paper is a bit like a business proposal for new cryptocurrencies. It contains everything potential investors need to know about crypto, such as technology, purpose, finances, etc. Think of it as your crypto resume, the team behind the crypto. No one really knows who created Bitcoin, but other cryptocurrencies usually have a team behind them that guides the company and its blockchain technology. Be sure to research the team members' experience in the field, their motivation and authority. Partnerships. If you are not ready to take a lot of risk, it is very important to see who in the industry has trusted the hands of the cryptocurrency you are buying. Another good thing about partners in the traditional world is that cryptocurrencies may have a better chance of being accepted by the masses. Crypto. Many cryptocurrencies are tokens of blockchain companies with multiple products. The more you learn about cryptocurrencies and technologies, the better. Crypto's contribution to society. What problem is cryptocurrency trying to solve? Does it matter to you? Is the team behind the cryptocurrency just trying to get rich quick, or does it have a long-term plan to improve society? Finding the answers to these questions will help you decide if you should consider buying this cryptocurrency. Roadmap. The websites of many of the companies behind cryptocurrencies have sections dedicated to their roadmaps, where they come from, what they have achieved, and what they plan to achieve in the future. Whenever possible, roadmaps are a great way to find a lot of basic information about crypto in a few minutes.